Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aina Nadira and my student ID is 2024528005.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Shamimi. My ID number is 2024991-2X7.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nain Nahish bin Abdul Rahman and my student ID is 2024792509. So let's move on to our next slide. Azlan bought a house for 2,000 and he paid a down payment of 20% and took loan that charged 60.5% interest compounded monthly to finance the balance. So the loan is to repay over 20 years by monthly installment. If Azlan want to settle the loan immediately after the 200th payment through a single payment, find the single payment. So we know from this question we have to use present value formula again. So A equals to R bracket 1 plus 1 minus K over M minus to the power minus MT divided by K over M. So we just add back the amount that we get from the previous question. So R is 11,092 ringgit 92 cents. Open bracket 1 plus 1 minus 0.065 over 12 to the power negative 240 bracket 200 negative 200 divide by 0.065 over 12 and the final answer we get 42,797 ringgit 73 cents. Find the total interest charged for the loan. When we want to find interest, we have to use this formula, which is I equals to NR minus A. The N is 240 and the R is 1,192 ringgit 92 cents that we get from the previous question. And we need to minus 160,000 and the final answer we get 126,380 cents. If Azlan missed the first 4 monthly payment, how much should he pay on the 5 installment to keep his payment up to date? From this question, we have to use future value formula, which is S equals to R bracket 1 plus 1 minus K over M N equal minus 1 divided by K over M. So we know that the N is 5 because he said that he paid on the 5 installment to keep his payment up to date. So we just add the formula back. So the S equals to 11,092 ringgit 92 cent that we get from the previous question. Open bracket 1 plus 1 minus 0.065 divided by 12 because compounded monthly and power of 5 minus 1 and divide by 0.065 over 12. So the final answer we get S equals to RM 60,029 ringgit 57 cents. If Azlan want to settle the loan immediately after the 200th payment through a single payment, find the single payment. So we know from this question we have to use present value formula again. So A equals to R bracket 1 plus 1 minus K over M minus to the power minus MT divided by K over M. So we just add back the amount that we get from the previous question. So R is 11,092 ringgit 92 cents. Open bracket 1 plus 1 minus 0.065 over 12 to the power negative 240 bracket 200 negative 200 divide by 0.065 over 12 and the final answer we get 42,797 ringgit 73 cents.
We proceed to the question number 2. First, we need to identify each of the information given. A is known as a present value, which is 10,000. K is equal to 0.06. M is equal to 3 because it is compounded every 4 months. T is known as investment period in years, which is 4. First question, we need to find the value of the down payment. For this question, I use compound interest formula, which is S equal to P times 1 plus K over M power MT. Firstly, let down payment DP be S. So it will be 10,000 times 1 plus 0.06 over 3 power 3 times 4. The answer will be RM 12,682.42 cents. In this question, we need to find the cash price of the shop lot. Based on the question 2b, we have to identify each of the new information given, which is K is equal to 0.0425, M equal to 12, R equal to 1502, and T is equal to 15. I'm going to use present value formula for this question. The formula is A equal to R times 1 minus times 1 plus K over M, power negative MT divided by K over M. So it will be 1502 times 1 minus times 1 plus 0.0425 over 12, power negative 12 times 15 divided by 0.0425 over 12. So the answer will be RM 199,660.12 cents. To get the cash price, we need to use this formula, which is C equal to DP plus A. C equal to 12,682.42 cents plus 199,660.12. The cash price of the shop lot is RM 212,342.54 cents.
To solve this question, we need to draw all the information given. So based on the statement, they give us value of T is 500, K is 0.07, M is 3 for the first 4 years. So, and K is 0.08, M is 4 for the rest of the period. Firstly, we have to find the accumulated amount for the first 4 years. So we have to use this formula. Original S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K over M to the power of MT. 500 in bracket 1 plus 0.07 over 3 to the power of multiply by 4. So the answer that I got is 659 and 44 cents. Next, to find the accumulated amount for the end of the period is we use the same formula. So previous P become the new S. RM 659 and 44 cents. Open bracket 1 plus 0.08 over 4 close bracket to the power of 4 to the power of 4. Open bracket 23 over 4 close bracket. So the answer that I got is RM 1039 ringgit and 87 cents.
We continue to the question number 4. As usual, we need to identify each of the information given. P1 equal to 4,000, K equal to 0.04, M equal to 12, and T equal to 5. And we have P2 equal to 1,500 and T equal to 2. The formula we use is S1 equal to P times 1 plus K over M power MT. 4,000 times 1 plus 0.04 over 12 power 12 times 5. So the answer is 4,883.99 cents. For the second formula we use is S2 equal to S1 plus P2 times 1 plus K over M power MT. So it will be 4,883.99 plus 1,500 times 1 plus 0.04 over 12. Power 12 times 2. The final answer for this question is RM 6,914.77 cents.
For question 5, based on the statement, they give us value of M is 12, K is 0.043, N is 50. Balance which is S is 3,500 and withdrawal 4,000. So we have to use this formula. S equal to P open bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket to the power of N open bracket 3,500 plus 4,000 close bracket equal to X open bracket 1 plus 0.043 over 12 close bracket to the power of 50. So the value of X is 6,271 ringgit and 76 cents.